Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca Applegate. Keener. My name is Rebecca Keener. I just got married, so I keep forgetting what my name is, which is a little awkward. I grew up in Elizabeth, Colorado. It's a small farming town, and I grew up on a goat farm. So I'm a little bit country. But I moved to DFW area of Texas, just a small town in that area, about 5 years ago. So that's been my home for kind of a while now. Even though I've been up at BYU, Idaho for a big portion of that time. Um, Something interesting about me is that I am horse obsessed. This is a decent picture of me with a horse. This was one of my roommate's horses last year. We got to go riding at her house all the time, and it was pretty much my favorite thing ever. I also have a rare metabolic disorder. It's called phenylketonuria or PKU. And I've had it my whole life, so it doesn't really bother me, but basically my body can't process proteins very well. And then finally, I just got married at the end of March, and that was really exciting. This is a picture of one of our engagement photos, and it's super cute, so I used that one. As far as where I am in my family, I'm a daughter, of course, a sister to four really amazing women, and I'm an aunt to a bunch of crazy boys and one super goofy niece. This is her. She's my favorite. Not really, but we've spent a lot of time together because I was watching her on Tuesdays and Thursdays through the school year. And she's just absolutely hilarious. And I am also a wife now. um, I hope that from this class I'll be able to better understand family theories. I've been learning about them in other classes as like an addendum to what we're learning or to build on what we are learning. And I think that they're interesting and I know that they're vital. So I'm hoping that through this class I'll be able to better understand and differentiate them and have them just like if someone asks me what they are, I will know that instantly instead of being like, let me go look that up. Just a second. Um, and finally, anything interesting about me to help you remember me? I'm not sure. I guess I grew up on a goat farm. That's pretty identifying and I'm obsessed with horses. Thank you very much.